Hi, my name is Brian Dabney with Med1 Group. I am a territory sales manager here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. I'm also a respiratory therapist. Today, we're going to introduce to you a non-invasive solution package that we've put together for Med1 Group. And we're going to introduce you some BiPAP machines that we are currently offering to all of our customers to help with their non-invasive solutions. First of all, we're going to talk about the BiPAP V60. We've been able to use this machine for many years now, and we're really excited about the great success that we've had with it. We have been notified that the BiPAP V60 is coming to its end of life here in the next few years. And so we'd like to introduce to you some other non-invasive technology that we as a company are going to be showing to our customers right now as another solution for them. But before we do that, I'd like to just review with you just some of the functions of the V60 so that we can share with you that they have some of the same similarities in the new technology we'll be talking about today. As we know, the BiPAP V60 is used for those patients 20 kilograms or greater, and it needs to be used on those patients that are spontaneous breathing. And we've been able to use this machine in various different modes, primarily being CPAP, being BiPAP ST, pressure control ventilation, and AVAPs. We can find those modes underneath the mode button for us with that. Very easy to find with that. The other features that we've been able to have a lot of great success is the backup battery. We now have a battery on here that can be used up to 6 hours. It's fully charged. That is a great function for us as we transport our patients intra-hospital so that we can be able to get them from A to B, and that's been a great help to us. The other thing is, as we're doing the transports, we have 2 brackets underneath the trolley here that we can put 2 e-cylinders of oxygen so that we can be able to transport our patients around with that. That has been a great addition to the BiPAP technology for us so that we can be able to keep the recruitment going as we work so hard on these patients in the emergency room. Now we're going to talk about the alternative non-invasive ventilators that we have been able to put together in our non-invasive solution for you for BiPAP. The first one we're going to be talking about is the Hamilton C1. The Hamilton C1 has great functionality for non-invasive ventilation. This can be used from the neonate all the way up to the adult. The great thing about this is that you will be able to do not only non-invasive ventilation, but you can also do invasive ventilation. It has the capabilities to do CPAP and non-invasive spontaneous time BiPAP. We also have a great package as far as a battery is concerned. The battery has 4 hours of life, and we have a opportunity to be able to put a e-cylinder on the back of this trolley so that you will be able to take your patients around intra-hospital transports and get your patients from A to B with no problems or complications. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly where you can find the different modes on the C1 ventilator. If you go up here in the left-hand corner, you can click the mode that we're currently in right now, and this will actually show you all the different modes that you have to offer. As we were just talking about on the non-invasive side, we could do the non-invasive ventilation in CPAP, the non-invasive in ST. If for some reason the patient started getting a little bit more sick and you had to put them in invasive ventilation, instead of getting another ventilator, you can actually key this into invasive ventilation and go into anything from volume control to pressure control ventilation, and it's all right there at your fingertips. And it's literally by just looking, highlighting it, and then hitting accept, and you can make that change that quick. The second BiPAP that we're going to talk about today is the Nihon Kohden NKV-330. This is a new BiPAP that has just recently hit the market, and it has some great features that we'd like to talk to you about as well. First of all, we need to understand what patient population we can use this. We can use it on the pediatrics to the adults. Anything greater than 12.5 kilos and greater than equal to 12.5 kilos is going to be the appropriate size of patient we can use on this particular BiPAP. The modes that we have on this ventilator is non-invasive spontaneous time. We also have CPAP. And this also is considered a ventilator, so it has invasive modes of ventilation, which we'll show you here in a few minutes. The Nihon Kohden does have a 5-hour battery, so that's going to be another great help to us as we transport our patients around. As you notice on the trolley, you will have 2 separate oxygen e-cylinder holders so that we can be able to mount 2 cylinders on the back of the trolley so we can get the patient around. The Nihon Kohden also does have a couple extra features on it. We can do SpO2 monitoring as well as CO2 monitoring by using the ports on the side. That will be some extra features that you can purchase if you're interested. As we look at the screen on the Nihon Kohden, they have done something that's very helpful for not only the respiratory therapist, but for the nurses as well. As you'll notice, as the patient is taking a breath, we go from red to green, from inspiratory to expiratory. Right now, we are in apnea ventilation, and so we're going to see this red color. So that's going to alert the clinician that the patient is not doing any spontaneous breathing. What we want to be seeing is every time the patient's taking a breath, we should be seeing a nice white breath going from white to green, inspiratory to expiratory, so that we know the patient is doing spontaneous breathing. If for some reason, when we go and see this patient, and all of a sudden we see white going to red, then we know that the patient is riding the ventilator and may be in apnea ventilation. In order to make a mode change on the Nihon Kohden, all we have to do is highlight the mode that we're in currently right now, and we can actually see what modes are available on this particular machine. We have our spontaneous pressure support, we have our ST, and then we have our invasive modes that we were talking about, the pressure control ventilation, the PRVC, and then this also has oxygen therapy. So we can actually do high flow oxygen therapy to a patient without getting another machine as well. So that's another great function that the Nihon Kohden has to offer for its patients. Now we're going to talk about the third non-invasive ventilator that we could like to discuss with you. This is called the Getinge Servo-air. The great thing about this new ventilator is that this not only will be able to do non-invasive ventilation, but also do invasive ventilation. The patient population that we can be able to take care of are going to be the pediatrics to the adults on this. We have a couple different modes that we can be able to share with you today. The one is non-invasive. The other one is pressure support CPAP. And then, as I mentioned, you also have the ability to be able to do invasive ventilation, and I can show you exactly how we get into those mode features here. We can hit the mode button right here. This will actually show you all the different modes that we have to offer for us. It will make the change right there for you. We make the setting changes by highlighting what we want to change, hit accept, and now we're in that mode for you. Just that easy. The Servo-air has the ability to be able to do transport as well. There are 2 batteries. Each battery can go up to 120 minutes each, as long as it's fully charged. We do have 2 oxygen cylinders holders on the back, so we can be able to do intra-hospital transport as well. This is a great feature for all of our non-invasive patients to be able to get them around. The other functionality that this ventilator will have to offer is we can do aerogen nebulizers. And as I mentioned before, we can also do invasive ventilation on the Servo-air. I hope this has been helpful for you as we presented with you our non-invasive solution here at Med1 Group. We've got some great new machines that we're introducing to our hospitals right now as they think about transitioning from the BiPAP V60. If you have any questions or you'd like to get in touch with somebody here at Med1, please reach out to us, med1group.com, or get in touch with your local sales rep. He'd be more than happy to assist you. We understand this is going to be a big change for you as you think about transitioning from a current BiPAP that you've been using, and we would like to make that a little bit less painful for you by offering you an opportunity to be able to give us a call. We'd be more than happy to bring one of our BiPAP machines in, let you try it, let you rent it out for a little bit, try it on some patients, and see if that's going to fit the need that you have in your facility. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.